This is not a love letter. Your feelings are coming out. For example, it's just common. It's like tomato gravy. You need to make cashew gravy better. Hello students, welcome. And in this video we will discuss how to improve your band score in IELTS Writing Task 2. So these are some of my tips. The first one is, don't use abbreviated forms like TV, info, vacay, etc. Try not to use abbreviated forms. Try to use full forms. Okay. For example, if you have to write TV, write television. If you have to write info, write information. Vacay is not formal. It's vacation, etc. No. Try to write and so on. When you are giving examples, try to write and so on and not etc. Okay. Many times people or students use abbreviated forms because they have the habit of using on their cell phones abbreviations. HBU. How about you? Is HBU for them. Don't use those kind of like lingo. IELTS is a formal test. Keep it formal, keep it professional. The second one is, avoid using very words. I am very happy. It is very important. This very happy is not bad, but this is a grade 6 kind of language or a band 5. Try to use better words like jubilant. Very important can be said as significant or of utmost importance. Okay. Third, whenever you are giving an example, try avoid using for example. Try writing for instance to illustrate. This will amplify your score. This will better your score. For example, it's just common. It's like tomato gravy. You need to make cashew gravy better. Fourth one is a recent study by Times. Whenever students are giving an example, they often cite newspapers. A recent study by the Indian Express, a recent study by Times of India, a recent study by BBC, right? A recent study conducted by Times, not done by. Studies are conducted. Okay, this is a better format. This is a better form. So try to write that. Fifth and the last one is, students often write I feel, I believe. And when do they write this? They write when a question in IELTS writing task to ask about their opinion. This is not a love letter. Your feelings are coming out. Okay? You have to write, in my opinion, according to my view, I perceive. Okay? Try to be formal. You are writing for a teacher. You are writing for a person who's much more qualified than you. So you have to be more professional. You are writing for someone who's going to grade you. So try to make sure that your language is better than what you are writing for a friend. Okay. So these are some of my tips on how to improve your score for IELTS Writing Task 2. So thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button